We've been invited back to Caffeine the Machine by Wheels of Wallop breakfast meat. We decided to bring the Mighty ST as we don't tend to take it out very often, and we thought you guys would like to see a little bit more of it. Let's have a look around this meat. I bet the person that drove this down was bloody cold. It does not look warm. Big props to them for bringing it out. Something you don't see every day. It's pretty cool. I love the little white Fiesta. Love the Cosy style wheels. Really nice looking car. Lovely K-van next to it. There's another one actually over there we'll have a look at in a minute. Oh, I love the plate. It's a K car. Check the plate out, look. That's wicked. Very cool. Right next to it's the lovely RX-8, modified RX-8 with a carbon fibre vented bonnet. Really looks smart on that. And a Bentley, don't go to many meets with a Bentley there, and a very nice Benz next to it.
We'll never know what was left in the future. If only someone could have gotten there sooner. They had thoughts and feelings, a few dreams, a few things they wanted to go see. But a bad day became a bad month, and then a bad year without anyone. No one noticed all the little changes. The happiness fades while the pain replaces. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I know mistakes were made and they all hurt today, but time will help them fade away. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend.
I'd just like to thank today's video sponsor, Wheel Revive, who offer a full wheel refurbishment. But they can also fix your buckled wheels, cracked wheels. They have part worn tyres, brand new tyres. They offer a variety of services. Well, the telephone number's down here and you can find them in Durban Road in Bognor Regis. Let's get back to our video. Let's go!
Feel the hurt erase, a new star shines in a moonless night, a new scar finds somewhere dark to hide, but that won't be you. It's not your time, you got a whole life to find while you're here alive. Yeah, each day is a new day, never the same, so get through. You can do this, choose to stay, okay? Don't take your life for granted. This whole universe dead, but you on this planet. I know life can feel like it's hard to manage, but this life is a gift, like a tree was planted. And this world needs you, and I need you too. So please push through, do what you need to do. I'll always be right here through the day and night, whether it's physical or not, know I'm by your side, yeah. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I know mistakes were made and they all hurt today, but time will help them fade away. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. You got a life ahead of you and times get better too. You need a better view. Can you trust